So I'm really thinking about making a change in my hair for the summer. I'm not sure if I want to dye it, grow it out, whatever, but I look on YouTube just like everyone else does, and I cannot find anything for ethnic hair. I don't know about any trends that are happening. I had to really search every other place on the internet just to find some styles. So I decided to make a video since nobody else has made one, obviously, and I got six styles for you. Everything from coarse all the way to wavy, different lengths, really cool stuff, and I'm gonna show you all that right after this intro. Welcome back to my channel, and for the newbies, my name is DevanOnDeck, and you are tuned into my series, Style on Deck, where we talk about men's fashion, grooming, how to present yourself better. And on the other side of my channel, I teach you how to present yourself better online, how to create better content, be more successful on social media, all that good stuff. So if that sounds good, hit that subscribe button. If you already subbed, you're already a part of the family, make sure you hit that bell icon if you want to get notifications every time I drop a video. The first style on this list are the Killmonger locks. Now, if you're not familiar with who Killmonger is, he is the villain in one of the biggest blockbusters this year. That is the Black Panther. The Black Panther, all right? And obviously something that is this big of a smash hit is going to affect culture, it's going to affect trends, and you're already seeing a lot of guys rock this style. And I like it personally because it's a good balance between both worlds. You get the benefit of having a fade, so it's a very cleaned up look, you can line it up, and then also you have something to style on top, and it doesn't take as long to grow out. It kind of lowers the bar for the patience you need to grow out locks. I think it's really dope, and it's not just for black dudes. Obviously you see my guy, Jeremy Lin, rocking it. Some people think it's cultural appropriation. Me personally, I don't get offended by it. I think he looks good in it. He's doing this thing. But I'd love to hear what you think about it. What do you think? You think Jeremy Lin should not be allowed to rock locks? I don't know. I think it's dope, and that's kind of where I'm leaving it. Number 2 on this list is what I like to call LHDC, and that stands for long hair, don't care. This is a flashback to the 70s, paying homage to that time period, and I'm seeing a lot of guys grow out that shoulder length hair, letting their curls flourish, and they look amazing. The 2 dudes you're looking at right now are Denny and Eli Soul. If you do want to see inspiration on how to pull this look off, how these guys are dressing, it's very, very classic. I will link their Instagrams in the description below. Next on this list is a natural with a part, and it looks exactly as it sounds. You grow your hair out about 1 or 2 inches, shave those sides down, and then put a nice fat part on the side. Now some guys cut it in, some guys just comb it, but either way, it's a great summer favorite of mine. I kind of used to do it. I think I did it last summer, so I might do it again this summer. Not sure if I should, but it looks clean, it looks classic, and this actually can be something you do on the way to getting those locks. So as you're growing your hair out, when you're in that in-between stage, it'll kind of help you grow it out and not look shabby while you do it. Next on this list is what I like to call the hangover. And it's kind of like a Travis Scott meets A$AP Rocky type of deal, where guys basically take about medium length hair, at least like to your ears, you twist it or braid it and kind of just let it canopy over your face everywhere you want it to go. Almost like an old school like 90s throwback. Remember the movie Menace to Society? That movie, kind of like that type of hairstyle. I feel like it's trending right now. Not even I feel like, it's proven to be trending right now. A lot of guys are doing it. So if you feel so compelled, make it happen. Next one on this list is the bleach dye, and this is actually the one I'm thinking about doing. Now, when it comes to doing more radical hair colors and hairstyles, it's usually inspired by the most radical people of the culture who are a little bit more artsy. We're looking at Jaden Smith, obviously, right? Pharrell, we're looking at Kanye. The really artsy guys are kind of the guys that are leading the pack in that, and they've been doing it since, I've been seeing those guys do it since like spring. So naturally, you look on Instagram, you see a lot of guys with the pink hair, the blue hair, like really dyeing their stuff different colors. I think it's personally fun, and it's almost non-committal, because if your hair is short, you just bleach it and dye it. You don't like it, you grow it out, cut it, and then you're back to your normal color. It's a beautiful thing. So as a final vote, let me know in the comments right now if you think I should do this with my hair. I'm really thinking about making it happen. If you think I should just keep the hair I got, cool, or should I just grow it out and do the part thing? Let me know, I'm not sure yet, okay? Now the last one on this list is a classic, you can't go wrong with it, and that is the Caesar. And basically all it is a bald fade on the side. You wanna take it all the way down and then have almost like a 2 length on top. And when I say 2, I mean like the 2 guide with your barber when he cuts your hair. Now depending on your hair texture, you might have waves, you might not, but almost everybody with a full head of hair can pull this hairstyle off, and you literally cannot go wrong with it. It's like a super classic, all the barbers know it, really easy to do, and that concludes this list. If you enjoyed this video, give your guy a thumbs up. If I missed anything on this list, let me know, put it in the comments right now. Let's make this list from 6 to 10 if we can. And if you haven't subbed to this channel yet, please make that happen. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.